Here is the Gardena twin tap connector and 4-channel distributor. Fitted with a 33.3mm threaded tap connector, you will also receive an additional 26.5mm threaded adapter shown here. Twist onto the tap, tightening securely. The outlets are controlled by the knobs, 2 on the front for the twin and an extra 2 on the top for the 4-channel distributor. Each outlet will have a male hose fitting included, designed to connect to a hose connector like so. Or you can connect a water computer or timer directly onto the thread to connect to a Gardena sprinkler or irrigation system. You can connect a water sprayer or lance, microdrip system, hose trolley or hose box, or any of your garden watering applications.